The purpose of this video is to give an overview of a typical online course here at Erie County Community College. Normally, online-only courses at EC3 are what are called asynchronous, meaning there is no set meeting time. Students interact with the course material on their own time and often will be turning in assignments weekly. I'm going to use an English 101 course as an example. Keep in mind that not every course will look like this one, but the main layout should be similar. To open your course, click on Courses in Blackboard, and then click on the course name. After opening the course, you can see that there are different menu items at the top, which you should explore, but I'm going to focus on the main menu that the course opens to, which is Content. If this is the first time opening your course, the first folder you should click on is Start Here. This folder contains the syllabus, which is a document that has the course policies and schedule. You can read it by clicking on it, but you can also download by pressing this icon over here. And then you can print it or save it to your computer. It's a good idea to look at the course schedule to see what kind of work you'll be required to do for this course. This Start Here folder also includes a couple videos, which I would watch to learn more about the course and the professor. The next folder in this course is Course-Specific Content. Typically, this will contain certain course readings and important links for students to refer to as needed. The next folder is Weekly Folders, which is probably the folder you'll be interacting with the most. This is a folder where you'll find your coursework, so you need to make sure you go here in the first week of class in order to start the course on the right foot. For the first week of class, you'll have to click on Week 1. What's in the Week 1 folder is entirely up to the professor and the class. Some professors will include a video lecture, which is kind of like an in-person classroom lecture. Some professors also have readings. I see for Week 1 here, I have readings, a video, a discussion board, and a journal entry. It's very important to complete all items in the folder each week. Too many times, students jump right to the assignment without watching course lectures or doing the readings. This results in a lack of understanding that can lower your grade and decrease learning. To learn more about assignment submissions, view the video on submitting an assignment in Blackboard. Each week, you'll probably be opening a new folder and watching lectures, reading course materials, completing assignments, and taking quizzes. It's important to set aside time daily or every other day for your online course in order to succeed. If you have any questions about your course, please do not hesitate to contact your professor using the email they provided in the syllabus, the success coach for the course, or you may contact the library at library@ec3pa.org. Thank you.